Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So it's been a very interesting week. We all know. Yeah, and I didn't get to do any vlogging this week because I was just focusing on someone's stuff. And so I'm looking at my TBR right now, and I completed 5 off the list. These two, not yet. So this one, I am, I think, 70-something pages in. I take my coffee black. I'm enjoying this. The interesting part about this is I didn't know who the heck this man was. This is one of the books that was sent to me, and I'm enjoying this. He has a way of telling the story that seems like relatable, like, you know, like your friend telling you certain things. And I love that he touched on his background, but give you history behind his family and how they got to from point A to point B. And there's a lot so far, and I still have, you know, not much to go. Like, yeah. This one, I'm enjoying this, but for some reason I'm dragging, because every time I say I'm going to do this for the weekend, and then my weekend becomes busy and I don't get nothing done. Pretty much this whole month, every weekend I haven't got anything done. So I don't know if this is going to be done by the end of the month. I am going to push myself to do it, but you know, let me see. The poetry book is almost done. I'm still on my time with it. For some reason, I'm really enjoying it. It's one of those poetry books that I don't necessarily want to like fly through it, but I really like how she is telling. It's like a story in poetry form, but you get her energy when she's, you know, going in. So I'm really enjoying that one. And please do not put the name of it. You know, it's Black Queer Hoe. Don't write it in the comment, because apparently YouTube think y'all calling me a hoe. So they've been blocking, because I noticed when I had my TBR video, quite a few people put it and it wouldn't show up, because again, that word is, you know, YouTube. Anyway, so I have a haul. So I'm going to start with the bookish thing. Then I'm going to do with other stuff I picked up this week. Well, the last 2 weeks. And then also my sewing project, what I've been doing. So you guys get an idea of what I've been up to during the week. Alright, so March Mystery Madness. So most of these books are picked up with the intention of reading it in March, in the whole idea of March Mystery Madness. Alright, first book, Jamaica Inn, Daphne Du More, and I read Rebecca and I love it. It had a mystery. This one is also giving me that. It is a mystery with a woman, family, some kind of haunted Jamaica Inn place. That's the name of the place, and was kind of warned not to go there. So I'm gonna enjoy this. And then I trying to keep the whole book to movie adaptation going. So when I looked this up and I saw that yes, there's a movie to this, and it's not even a sucker, it's a black and white. I think is Hitchcock did that movie, so I think it's gonna be fun, and I'm gonna probably end up doing book to movie adaptation of this one, and once I'm done reading it. And then okay, the other book, I saw the movie years ago. I think I was in high school. I couldn't tell you what the heck it was about, but I know I want to start this author's series, and it's a long series. It's going to take me years to complete it, but that's okay. I can start now, and this one can also go towards a book to movie adaptation kind of video, and that is Devil in a Blue Dress, Walter Mosey. This is the first book in the Easy Raleigh novel series, and Denzel Washington is in the movie. I remember that much, so going to read this, watch the movie kind of deal, and that's going to be for future video where I can do the book to movie adaptation series kind of deal. So I'm excited about this because I've never read this, and also I want to rewatch the movie, because again, y'all, I don't remember that movie at all. So I'm gonna definitely check it out. I wish I had the original cover, but this is like the anniversary, 30th anniversary edition. So this was published 30 years ago. Or maybe more than that. I'm not sure when this edition came out. but I'll give you all the rundown when I'm reading it. Then we gotta get our Blanche. So last year I read Blanche and Lamb. So this year is Among the Talented 10th, and this is the second book in the series. I believe there's 4 or 5 books in the series. She passed away, so the series is never going to be completed. Yeah, that's sad. But I'm ready for it. Again, another mystery, and it's going to be eerie to add to the whole March mystery madness. So yeah. The next book is a slow read. I'm going to be reading it the entire month of March. It is going to be slow read. Because I read the first one. I was one of the few people that actually enjoyed it, and I wanted to read this again the way I did it, approach the first one, which was to be in that world longer so I can really understand it and really enjoy the storyline for his creative way of writing this. And that is this one, Moon Witch Spider King. This is Marlon James, and this book came out this month, and I was just waiting for it because I know in March I will be slow reading this the entire month. So how I did it the last time, where I just literally every week I would talk about how far I got in the book, what I think about it, and share it that way. But I get the impression that based on the fact that people love this more than the first one, that it might be a faster read or might be a little bit more simpler, because I think the first one was a little bit more complicated and some people was just, it went over their head. And this one he might have came down a little bit more to please people. So it might not be we'll see. I might get through it and decide to like fly through it if I'm feeling it. But I already know the storyline. This is a point of view of another character. So this is what this is. So yeah. And then I did pick up, this was the 8th book from James Baldwin. It is Going to Beat the Man. This is a short story collection. I am considering starting this. I don't know if I necessarily want to finish it because I do have Harlem Renaissance book that I do want to pick up. I just haven't decided what Harlem Renaissance book I want to pick up in March. So if I read this, it's probably 1 story, 2 stories at a time. I'm not sure if I'm going to like really read the entire thing in 1 month. So this is a iffy. And then this book I saw in the bookstore, actually Walmart, and this is Blindsided. I need a chick lit. This is definitely a chick lit. This is 3 sisters, and they're not sisters, are they? No, I think they're just friends. Their relationship, career, secrets, drama. I just wanted something messy, and I think this is just going to give me that. So I love the color. I love everything about this. So I'm going to definitely read this. It will be something light to read in between all the suspense and the shoot 'em up books and the scary books that I'm going to be reading. So yeah, and that is it as far as the books goes. Again, you know me, sometimes I throw in a wild card in between books if the mood strike me, but those are the ones I think I'm going to focus on and give it a chance as far as March Mystery Madness is going. All right, shopping. Now, since the panorama, guys, I really haven't bought shoes, like summer, spring shoes. I just haven't because I just was not in the mood. It's just the vibe wasn't there. And this year I said, you know, I'm going to do that. So I bought some spring shoes. They were on sale. I think ASOS had sale. Everybody has sale, guys. Everybody. The outlet. And I bought the shoes. So I'm just show you a clip of all the shoes because I'm not going to do individual ones. But I bought all these, and I love how I chose vibrant color, but I also had nudes. And these are the ones where they were so affordable that I'm going to wear them till they fall off, and I'm going to enjoy them. And I'm going to dress them up when I do blog posts and I have pictures taken and all that. I love the bow tie situation, so it's like a plus for me. I do have other shoes with bow ties, not the first, but I just love how bright they are, and they're just going to be great, especially spring when it's still kind of cool because of the velvet situation. And so I was excited for that because I was like, I need to get back in the groove of things and try to go out more in terms of, I mean, it's not so much places I can go, but you know, if I go to dinner, dress it up a little bit and feel good about myself. So yeah. So that's where that went. So that was all I bought so far. And I did, well, didn't buy it for myself, but I did pick up also some perfume was picked up for me. That was like some Valentine's Day stuff. So but that was actually nice to get some new perfume that was smelling really good. It was the Coach scent. It was really, it smells so good. All right, now what I've been making. Sewing, a lot of fun. Whole lot of fun. Yeah, guys, it is doing something again outside. If you could hear that, we've been having ice. Yeah, ice situation all day. We went from 2 days ago 60 degrees to now we're getting ice. So I'm hoping it stops soon because it's really doing that grain sleet situation. Yeah, anyway. Back to what I made. So you guys know I picked up those fabric and I wanted to do some pajamas. So the pink one is so cute. The matchy top with the shorts. I was able to put the pockets in. They're so comfortable. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to definitely wear this and enjoy it. And then I did the pants. Now, I do have more fabric, but I didn't have time because I think I want to do a button-up top for those pants. And you can see how the pants are really nice. They draw a string. And you know, so I have opportunity as I lose weight that it will still fit because I had the drawstring. I just pull it in more. So I purposely chose drawstring for these. This way I don't have to actually go and sew and all of that to get it in. But I love it, so good. And then this dress that I have on now that you guys only see the top of, it is a dress. I think it's just so cute and short and fun. And I was messing with this cheap fabric because I'm still practicing certain sleeve, like for instance with this, to do the sleeve a certain way that's different. I've never done this kind of sleeve. I still love my balloons big sleeve, so this didn't give me the volume I wanted, but I'm still practicing because that's like the look that I love right now. But I do love the color. This is such a nice color, light fabric. I know I could get a lot of wear out of this. It's like get up and go kind of dress that I'm gonna love because I could just dress it up if I want. I could put some sneakers on if I want with these, or some sandals and keep it pushing. So I'm really loving the color, and again, this was really cheap per yard. So if this didn't come out completely disaster, I was fine with it because I didn't pay much for this fabric, and I really have don't have that. Actually, I don't think I even have anything left of it because I didn't buy that much. I wish I did, because this would have been like nice also for some cute shorts for the summer. The pattern that I used for the pajama for the pink really wasn't a pajama pattern. It just was literally a summer pattern. So those shorts that I have, I can still make more shorts out of that with other fabric, like thicker fabric, and make it more structured. And those are going to be cute too for the summer. I'm going to really enjoy sewing more for the warmer weather, for the summer, than the winter, because again, less fabric to deal with and more fun stuff that I can make that I think I'm going to actually wear, versus the other stuff that I make. It's just like I make it just to practice, but I never wear them. But these I think I will wear, especially if I make the shorts, because they're going to be such an easy, put them on with a t-shirt and go to the store, do whatever. And so I'm going to enjoy that. So that's where I'm at with the sewing stuff. The journaling things, I haven't purchased much, but I did purchase another pen. So watch my recent reels on my Instagram, and you will see that pen. It is beautiful. But I am going to do a video because someone asked me to do a video on my collection for my pens, and I'm going to do a video at some point where I show you all my fountain pens and my dip pens and what I like, what I don't like, what was winner, what was like womp womp, that kind of deal. I will do that because I know people are asking for that in an upcoming video. But yeah, so this month just wasn't, I'm having fun, guys. That's what it boils down to. I am having a good time this month, and I'm enjoying myself, and it's kind of reduced the amount of videos I really thought I was going to be doing because my weekends have been great. And this weekend, I thought about going skiing. I'm not sure because I'm not a fan of this weather. But I might do maybe snow tubing something before it is the end of winter, because I hope it's the end of winter soon, because I'm not a winter person. But that's something that I might consider doing this weekend. We'll see. If I do, follow me on Instagram and see what I'm up to. I do have some home renovation projects coming up that I will definitely show you with. Major project that's coming up, and some other things that I'm going to be doing some DIY for that I will share. But they're coming. There are going to be some more fun videos that I miss doing, that I haven't done any DIY stuff in a while, and I miss doing some of those stuff. So it's coming. Yeah, it's a lot of plans, a lot of spring stuff, a lot of nice spring stuff. I did start my planting. I didn't really start, but I got all the ones that I want to plant. So you guys know I like doing the gardening thing. So those are also things that I want to share that is coming up. So yes, guys, spring needs to hurry up so I can do some of the things that I really enjoy and give you guys more content in terms of creative side, you know, all that DIY stuff. So I will see you guys in the next video, and share with me what are some of the things that you look forward to doing in the spring. Like spring, you know, spring is coming. This is like, yes, I'm going to be doing this. Share that in the comment section, because I love spring and I'm looking forward to things. I love to see what other people look forward to doing in the spring. And yeah, let's chat. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.